The vibrant chaos of Mumbai couldn't mask the shadow in Raj's eyes, a shadow cast by his father's devastating stock market ruin. Every glitzy party, every boast from his childhood friend Vikram about his stock profits felt like a taunt. Vikram, now flaunting a lavish lifestyle, seemed to embody the very quick money temptation that had destroyed Raj's family. Raj, desperate to reclaim his family's honor, found himself drawn into the market's allure. Just as he teetered on the edge of despair, making risky trades that mirrored his father's mistakes, fate intervened. He met Mira, a financial advisor whose wisdom sparkled brighter than any diamond and whose sharp mind saw beyond the market's surface. Mira, sensing Raj's vulnerability and Vikram's subtle manipulations, introduced him to Mr. Govind, a wise SEBI-registered guru. Govindji, with the gravitas of a seasoned sage, unveiled the no-loss strategy, disciplined index investing, always with the best companies, and crucially, the put option, a shield against market crashes. A Bollywood hero never leaves home without a shield, beta, Govindji declared. Raj, guided by Mira and Govind, diligently built his portfolio. He learned patience, discipline, and protection. Yet, Vikram's taunts grew sharper, his advice more insidious. He'd whisper about slow money and missed opportunities, pushing Raj towards speculative, high-risk ventures. Mira, however, had been watching. Her keen financial instincts, coupled with a deep dive into old market records, uncovered a shocking, chilling truth. Vikram's family, through a network of shell companies and insider trading, had secretly profited immensely from the very market crash that had ruined Raj's father years ago. Vikram wasn't just a friend showing off. He was subtly trying to lure Raj into similar traps, aiming to repeat history, perhaps out of a twisted sense of familial legacy or a desire to prove his own superiority. The revelation shattered Raj's heart, turning a financial struggle into a deeply personal betrayal. Then came the ultimate test. The market crashed, a chaotic storm that sent tremors through every investor's heart. Vikram's reckless, ill-gotten empire crumbled around him, exposed and vulnerable. But Raj, shielded by his put options and fortified by Govind's wisdom, stood firm. Instead of panic selling, he calmly bought more, knowing his downside was protected. He confronted Vikram not with anger, but with the quiet strength of integrity and the undeniable proof of his disciplined success. Years later, at his sister's wedding, Raj's prosperity, built on truth and ethical investing, amazed his entire family. Even Vikram, humbled and broken, watched from a distance. Mira, now Raj's life partner, smiled, knowing they had built not just wealth but a life of honor. Govindji, his eyes twinkling, delivered the final lesson. In the stock market, as in life, the true hero protects his heart and his wealth from all villains, seen and unseen. This, my son, is the true victory of the heart. Dil ki jeet.